Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will look at how to hide the start page in Tableau Desktop Public Edition. First, you will need to open Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Once it is opened in a landing page, as you're seeing on screen here, go to the top left corner and select the File tab, so this tab here. And in the second section, from the drop-down list, there is an option called Hide Start Page. So if you click on that, this will actually hide the start page and bring you straight to sheet 1 in your Tableau desktop session. Alternatively, if you're on a Windows machine, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+2, and this will auto bring you to the sheet 1 page. Or if you're on a Mac machine, you can hit Command+2, and that will bring you to the sheet 1 page automatically. So this is how you can hide the start page in Tableau Desktop Public Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.